Probably the best way to give you a overview of what we'd like to do is by giving you a tour of the building and show you the unfinished portion of this building that was built. Started in 1994 by the military members serving in Iceland. And then of course the church that was then left in 2006 when the military base closed. I'm leaving this building to the missionaries. It was 30% finished when the military members left. It's approximately 60% finished now. This is a large portion of the building. As you can see, there's a wall here we're working on. This is something that a group could do. I'll zoom in, showing you that cross supports, those boards have to be put in the top. These are metal studs, and so we build on top. And I'll show you this side over here. What we do is we put metal studs on top of metal studs, bringing it up to the ceiling as you see here. And then we put in those wood cross supports here. And this entire wall needs to be finished. And this is a project that could be worked on. Walk you through the back rooms. Each of these are future Sunday school classrooms. We also use the church for our summer camp. And so in the building we have a full-blown summer camp, sleeping, and make our Sunday school classrooms into cabins or dormitories for kids. As you can see, ceiling studs were put in on this room here. And this room adjacent to it also needs to have ceiling studs put into it in preparation for putting drywall on these walls. Hallway, of course, has to have ceiling studs put in, same way. And there are 5 classrooms needing ceiling studs in preparation to get, of course, drywall on. This is something that a group could do, is pick one room or 2 or however many rooms we can afford and get the materials and put in some ceiling studs. You can see I have some materials here, studs enough to do the hallway here right now. And I plan on working to get the ceiling studs in the hallway here over the next month. Again, this is just a quick overview of what could potentially be done. Working in this room to complete this surrounding wall. This is the future auditorium of the church. When the military was here, there were 250 members, and they built this auditorium to hold 250 members. It's currently our game room. This is the main entrance of the church. This room here is not completed. There's tiling. We still need to do tiling on this floor. And that's also a project that could be done by a team. The other 2 tasks that need to be done in this area are heating, which is the water heating. You can see the heater on the floor there. And they run water pipes to run the heat. And also the electricity. Those 2 jobs have to be done by an Icelandic contractor. This is again the finished portion of the building. Each of these rooms are classrooms. And walking back over to what we use as the main auditorium. Is right here.